Above us.
Right above us.
Are you kidding me? Both of them. That is crazy.
He's.
Those are straight up. That is straight up above me.
Yeah, we don't need.
He's behind on the shit.
Yeah.
We're seeing it.
I see. I kind of see him though. Still, just keep an eye on him.
What you just saw there was the rockets, and they're gonna come back down and land.
Yeah, let's see if we can get the other one out here now.
Here we go. Look, you can see it free falling.
Yep.
Oh, there they are. See how fast
Oh, it's moving fast. Look how fast it's going. Oh, you can't see it at night. Oh, that sucks.
I lost it.
Just wait for it.
Right over here.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Coming in like a frickin' banshee.
Coming down.
Start hitting the brakes here in a second.
Let's get the.
Yeah, about 4 to 5 seconds.
Yeah.
4, 3.
There you go,
All the way
right
down
there.
there.
Oh. 1, 2.
Let's push the heat. That was actually louder than last time.
Yeah.
Oh,
man.
All right. Did they land them both?
Yep.
They're still upright. Wow.
Cheering about something.
Yeah, that's what they're cheering about. They're right there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
Booster landing.
target.
Did they?
Yep.
8 minutes total, man.
Awesome.
Now normally center core entry. Now see if they flip the video.